Prospective leads are the lifeline of any profession or business. Have you ever seen or heard about sharing the potential lead among business owners without any terms? Let's see how a potential business lead is getting transferred quietly, smoothly around business professionals without any glitches. Mr. Ronaldo Dizzazo from San Francisco, USA, decides to get settled in Coimbatore, India. Post his wedding scheduled on January 17, 2021. Through his uncle reference, he visits Dr. Kumar Nesam Hospital, Seravanampatti to get treated for hair transplant and laser face rejuvenation. Dr. Kumar runs up a laser cosmetology clinic in Seravanampatti. He provides solutions and services for derma peels, laser face rejuvenation, hydrofacial, medifacial, skin whitening, Botox and fillers, hair transplant for baldness, laser treatment for wart and mole removal, carbon peel, microblading for eyebrows, wrinkles treatment, rhinoplasty, surgical facelift, scar reduction, a thread lift, double chin reduction, fat reduction. Ronald, on getting impressed with the services of Dr. Kumar, expressed his wish to get treated for cosmetic dentistry too, to align his teeth and smile correction. Dr. Kumar introduces his BNI friend, Dr. Nandini, who owns the dentist specialty dental clinic at Ramnagar and GN Mills. Dr. Nandini provides specialized services on preventive dentistry, pediatric dentistry, geriatric dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, implant dentistry. Ronald gets worried as to get an appointment with a dentist in the US is a lengthy process and quite expensive too. Also, he expresses that all cosmetology treatments are expensive in the USA. To his surprise, he got a quick appointment with Dr. Nandini. While getting treatment with Dr. Nandini, Ronald felt that she is a sweet person who ensures that her patients always signs off with a big leap smile both in face and soul. Ronald was sharing to Dr. Nandini that his fiancée has requested to change the car wheels to alloy. Dr. Nandini referred to Mr. Thungavil, Srivari Aligners, a multi-brand tire dealer with 15 years experience in the field, an authorized tire dealer catering Michelin, Yokohama, Apollo, Continental, Bridgestone, Pirelli, Goodyear. He also provides an absolute match of HRS, Momo, Neo, Reeds and Lenso alloy wheel. Comfort and safe driving partner. Ronald visited Srivari Aligners located at Ganpati, who also provides specialized services on car accessories, wheel balancing, wheel alignment, tire repair work, foam wash, car AC top-up and quick brake service. Ronald felt that Srivari Aligners provides the best service with the best price in Coimbatore. He felt happy with the services of Mr. Thungavil and inquired him to suggest a right place for seat cushions. Mr. Thungavil referred him to his another BNI friend, Mr. Akshay, Cozy High Design Premium Furniture, who is a manufacturer of sofa and recliners using genuine leathers of about 1230 colors and unlimited fabric options matching the client needs. Ronald visited Cozy High Design showroom is located in RS Puram. He experienced that Mr. Akshay is providing highly customizable furnishing that includes the dimension and models that suits the client ambience. He also learned that Cozy High Design has successfully completed around 24 home theatre projects with comfort seating solutions and recliners. Ronald ordered for the comfortable sofa and recliners for his new home and took references for Mr. Surya Prakash for home appliances too. Mr. Surya Prakash provides complete solution on home appliances. He owns an exclusive Bosch brand store located in Ganpati. For over 2 years with all types of Bosch home appliances like washing machine, dishwasher, refrigerator, chimney, hobs, ovens, microwave and small appliances etc. After purchasing the complete home appliance from Prakash, Mr. Ronald visits Mr. Satish office at RS Puram for securing his life and wealth upon taking reference from Surya Prakash. Mr. Satish owns Galaxy Insurance and Investments, located in RS Puram. 15 plus years experienced firm with abundant product knowledge. The best partner for protection of life, health, vehicle and properties. A corporate agent for the leading insurance companies and deal with all kind of protections like life insurance, health insurance, vehicle insurance, term insurance, fire insurance, guaranteed returns pension policy and shopkeepers insurance. Mr. Ronald was highly satisfied and happy that he has met a 15 years experienced person with in-depth product knowledge. He took the reference from Mr. Satish for yellow metal investments and for finance doctor. Ronald then visits RV Bullions located at Town Hall, a genuine partner for buying and selling gold bars and coins. RV Bullions enriched the business with the heritage from 1926 and he met Mr. Vivek, the fourth generation gold trader. With direct bullion prices, Ronald too referred few of his NRI friends to Mr. Vivek for investments in bullions. He also learned that RV Bullions is provided 24/7 service for rate inquiries. He felt happy about having a good staff with heartfelt investments and proceed to Mr. Paul office for discussions on business ventures and the support from government organizations for new business ventures. RMO Associates, taken care by Mr. K.R. Paul Anthony, with rich 22 years of experience in the financial field. He is the authorized channel partner for private banks and NBFCs for any requirements on home loan, mortgage loan, working capital loan, machinery loan, loan for professional, loan for educational institutes, unsecured loan, and loan for startups. Mr. Ronald was highly satisfied with the free consultation provided by Mr. Paul and handed over all the required documents for taking up the start loan with NBFC. Finally, Ronald was highly satisfied with the services offered by every individual and learned that Dr. Nandini, Mr. Vivek and Mr. Paul, Mr. Surya Prakash, Dr. Kumar, Mr. Satish, Mr. Thungavil, Mr. Akshay are associated with BNI Jaguar chapter of Coimbatore region and do belong to the same power team too. That's the power of BNI power team. This is just a scenario that happened in HNI power team. We could make it happen only as we believe and trust upon the high priority network time. HNI power team wishes all the business owners a happy and prospective networking time through BNI.